Andrew,
What?
what does my name begin with?
J. J. Is it J?
And what about your name?
A.
Come over here. Tell me what. So you're A.
Did you show Jennifer that picture you drew for Mom and Dad?
Oh wait, I forgot to show this.
He's writing some words now.
Let's
And
see.
here's another picture that I drew.
Whoa, what is it?
Mom, Dad. Mom, Dad. Mom, Dad.
That's cute. Good job.
And this is supposed to be a monkey, but once you flip it these ways, it looks like a bendy water thing, how to make water.
Oh. What does your last name begin with?
Of course, W. I told you 2 times.
Remember?
Jeez. What else? Tell me some more things you learned.
I learned words. I learned...
Do you have a favorite word?
My favorite word is...
Turn the TV on.
Turn the TV on.
That's a sentence.
My favorite...
Andrew.
My favorite is...
Okay.
Adolf.
What about Nora?
Can you please be quiet?